streets of this town, like a shadow that might never find its way down with the sun. A brand new morning, keep a smile on my face, just in case the eyes that wander see my mind begin to race. Make it look good so they won't ask if I'm floating in space. There's a star where you are. There's a star where you are. Two birds sat on a telephone line and they asked themselves why they don't fly away. They're not soaring, it's boring, they say. In the morning they'll go. Today they are going to stay. No, I won't complain. Less than the chorus sings. I don't want to stay. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Doors are open wide. Why don't you pick yourself up and go make your choices wise? It's all the emotion you show. I sit upon the hill some nights so I can watch the lights. Then I walk home slowly. I wonder if the people passing by can see it in my eyes. That rest on a perch reminisced about things that they missed and the risks they passed by. Their souls are all ready to die and they both wonder why they stayed. That was the choice they made. No, I won't complain. Less than